Hey everybody, and welcome back to Crafting Made Easy. If you're interested to see how I did this phone case, stand by. So the items you'll need for this project include a phone case, some UV resin, some imitation gold leaf, some medicine cups or any kind of cup to mix your gold leaf and your UV resin. You'll need something to spread your UV resin and gold leaf onto the phone case and something to stir it up. And then you'll also need a foam grip. So these are sublimation foam grips. I don't have the regular foam, well I do, but they're in like blue and green or something, and I don't want to use those colors, so I have this in white and black. I will put a link where you can get sublimation foam grips from. I won't be sublimating the foam grip on camera. I have other videos which I will tag up here where I sublimated some foam grips, so you can go ahead and check those out. I believe that is all that you will need for this particular project, but as usual, if I forget anything, I will go ahead and put it down in the description box below. All right, y'all, I think that is all that we'll need right now. So with that out of the way, let's get started. All right, so this project is really simple. All you're going to do, oh, I'm sorry, I did forget a UV lamp. You'll definitely need a UV lamp, so make sure you have a UV lamp. You can use the ones for your nails, or I have a UV box that I will link in the description box below. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started, y'all. So, like I said, or started to say, this project is fairly simple. You'll go ahead and pour some UV resin in there. You don't need a whole lot to start. And then you'll need to put some of your imitation leaf in here. So I did get some tweezers just to pick it up. This stuff sticks all over the place and can fly all over the place, so beware. Some of that mixed up. I'm gonna put some more UV resin in there in a minute, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this foam grip on here. So the foam grip has a sticker on the back. You just pull that off, and then you'll try to get in the middle as best as you can. I think I want it right there. I'm gonna put some pressure on there so it doesn't pop up. And then once I sublimate something on here, I'll go ahead and stick that on top of it. It's just a little disc, and you'll see it in the other video, but it's pretty easy to assemble. Then I'm just going to have some regular UV resin in here. So once you go ahead and put your UV resin on with the gold leaf on, I like to use some alcohol just to pop any bubbles I see. So I just spray it on there, same way I do with regular resin, or epoxy resin I should say, and it just gets the bubbles out. Now, I will suggest if you are using a foam grip in the middle that you pop it up so you don't risk the bottom sticking to the part where you pop it up. I unfortunately did not do that, so I'm hoping it did not stick together, but if it did, I'll just try to use maybe like an X-Acto knife to kind of pull it apart. And then also when you're placing it, you want to be careful of your edges. So in the, I'm not sure if you was able to see it in the because it's fast forwarded, but you just go over the edge. I just going over the edge with my finger. Now you can put a piece of tape or something over the edge, or you can put some what is it, rubber latex, something like that to stop it, same way you would with like epoxy to stop it from flowing. Or you could just do what I'm doing and just use your finger to kind of clean up the edges. Yeah, and then go real slow when you're going around the hole so you don't get anything in there. And I think that is all the tips and tricks I have. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into my UV box, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and took it out of the box, and lucky me, it did not stick. I did not have any issues pulling it apart. Now, I did put some clear UV resin in there, and I know y'all like, why she put that clear in there? Well, because if you use any type of imitation gold leaf or regular gold leaf or any type of anything, it will stick up. If you don't want that texture on your phone case, I'm going to put a clear coat of UV resin on top of it so you won't feel the raised gold leaf. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and pour that on. So once you spread the clear resin on, you're gonna hit it again. It's kind of challenging to see if everything is flat. I used the popsicle stick versus this tool I had because I could feel the bumps better with the popsicle stick than the plastic stick. So just keep that in mind. It may be a little difficult to see because you gotta get kind of eye level with it. And make sure you didn't leave like any blank spots, any spots that are still raised. And if you're unsure, just kind of go over it again with your popsicle stick. Especially if this is a gift for someone, or you're selling these, or shoot, if it's just yours. I mean, you want it to look good because you're advertising for your business nonetheless. Anything that you make and you wear, that's advertisement. So just keep that in mind. I think I'm gonna have to go over that one more time because this piece right here, this piece of gold leaf is real thick. All right, let me just put a little bit more on there because that piece is super thick. So hopefully everything is all covered. If not, and you find once you put it in the UV light and it comes out and you can still feel the bumps, just put another coat of UV resin on top of it just so you're not feeling the texture. But if you like the texture looks, I mean, some people like it, so you can just leave it if you wish to. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back into my box and then I'll be right back. All right, so it is done. Look how cute that is, y'all. Look, I really like this. This is really cute. It is crystal clear. You can see right through it. It did not take that long. Now ignore the blank foam grip, ignore that part right there. But this was not about the foam grip. But look at the gold leaf on this phone case. So you just took a plain phone case and made it something different. And it's easy. Now I did not have any spots where I saw, like if you hold it to the side, you'll see it is really smooth. Everything is covered up. No gold leaf is sticking out. So that's what you just want to do. You want to just tilt it to the side and make sure everything is still smooth. Nothing is like sticking out. So anybody can like scratch their fingers or anything like that. So you just want to go around the sides and make sure everything is smooth. I use UV resin on a different phone case. This one right here, when I put the rhinestones on there, and this has held up for a little over a year. So I know UV resin can stay on a phone case and it does not mess up, it does not crack, it does not do anything like that. So you can still put your phone in here just like a regular phone case. It is actually harder than it was without the phone case, because it was pretty flexible with before the UV resin. Let me see if I can show you these ones. Well, this has like the styrofoam in there, but you see this is like really flexible. That's how it started. Now you can't really bend it, so it does add a little extra protection for the phone. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you are not subscribed to my channel, but you're watching my videos, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you end up doing a phone case such as this with the UV resin and the gold leaf or alcohol inks, whatever you decide to judge up your phone case, go ahead and put it in my Facebook crafting group. We would love to see it. It is Crafting Made Easy, spelled the same way as this channel. Again, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Until then, y'all have a blessed and beautiful day. Peace.